Looking for a plumbing company with experience and that you know you can trust? How about an 83-year history of knowledge and experience in the plumbing industry and a record of performance in the areas of industrial, commercial, tenant improvement, residential, restaurant, retail, and hospitality? That's what you get when you call Outhouse Plumbing. Whether it's fixture upgrades, leak repair, water heater replacement, kitchen remodels, bathroom remodels for residential, or those large jobs for commercial, and even environmental work, Outhouse Plumbing is the call to make.